Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Hyderabad location. It is from Telangana. Let's discuss one by one. Firstly, there are job openings available from Ideal Degree College for Women. It is affiliated to Osmania University. So they have vacancies available for principal, librarian and experienced faculty for chemistry, business management and English, biotechnology and commerce subjects. So for these vacancies, qualification will be PC with minimum 55% marks in the respective subjects. So interested candidates, you can send your resume by 10th May 2021, or else you can send your resume to the provided mail ID. And if you have any queries regarding these job openings, you can contact them with the given phone numbers provided here. The mail ID is principal@idealedu.in.
Next, there is a job openings for Orange Honda. They have vacancies for several openings like General Manager, Sales Manager, Sales Executives, Service Head, Customer Relations Manager, Accounts Manager, and Parts Manager. They have vacancies for all these positions. And if you see, only male candidates are eligible for all these positions. So female candidates is eligible only for Customer Relations Manager. For this position, both male and female candidates are eligible. For the rest of the positions, only male candidates are eligible. For general manager sales, they have one vacancy. Minimum 15 years and above experience is required in two or four wheeler sales. For sales manager, they have two vacancies. 6 to 10 years of experience in two wheeler sales is required. For sales executives, they have 10 vacancies. Freshers are eligible for the job role sales executives, and experience in two wheeler sales field is also will be considered. Service head, they have one vacancy. Minimum 10 years and above experience is required in relevant field. Multiple locations they have vacancies for this position. And customer relations manager, they have one vacancy. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role. Minimum 5 to 8 years of experience is required as customer relation manager, and they are also looking for accounts manager. Two vacancies available. Minimum 8 to 15 years of experience in accounting field is required, and they are also looking for parts manager. One vacancy is available. Experience is required in relevant field. Salary along with incentives will be offered best in the industry. This is the address location. You can check with that. You can contact on the given phone numbers for more information. Contact numbers are 8886672143 and 7799916909. There is also email IDs available to share your profile. The email IDs are tatahar@orangeauto.in and gmhonda@orangeauto.in. If you have any questions or queries, let us know below in comments. We will be replying for that. Next, there is a job openings for United Brothers Company. They are looking for sales executive and sales officer positions. Minimum qualification is 10th or intermediate pass. Experience details, if you see, strictly sales experience in rice or HMT basmati is required, or species, pulses and other commodity products only. Only experience in these products, they are only eligible for the job role to apply. And job location will be Hyderabad, twin cities, that is Hyderabad or Secunderabad. Salary range as per the experience after the interview will be decided. Language should be known Telugu, Hindi and English. You can share your resume at the provided email ID, or you can also contact on the given WhatsApp number. Email ID is unitedbrothersco21@gmail.com and WhatsApp number is 814315095. Next, there is a job openings for Vijaya Diagnostic Center, hiring for Hyderabad and Secunderabad centers. You can directly walk in between Monday to Saturday between 10 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. at the given address. They are looking for patient attenders. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role. Minimum 1 year of experience and above is required. Minimum qualification is SSC or Inter. And they are also looking for sample collection technicians. Minimum experience is required 2 years. Minimum qualification is DMLT or MLT, BSc, MLT. And they are also looking for lab technicians. Minimum experience is required 2 years. Minimum qualification is DMLT, MLT, BSc, MLT, and they are also looking for front office executive. Minimum experience 1 to 2 years of experience is required. Any graduate or postgraduate is the eligibility, and they are looking for X-ray technician. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role. Minimum experience is required 1 year and above. Minimum qualification is DMIT or diploma in X-ray, and they are also looking for marketing executive. Only male candidates are eligible for the job role. Freshers or experienced, both candidates are eligible for the job role. Should have a mandatorily two-wheeler for this position, marketing executive. You can carry your photocopies of your educational and experience certificates applicable to the given address. You can directly walk in between Monday to Saturday between 10 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. If you have any questions or queries, you can contact on the given phone numbers. Contact numbers are 9100096499 and 9100401048, and there is also email ID available careers@vijayadiagnostic.in, and there is no night shifts, so it is a good opportunity for you. Wearing mask is mandatory for the interview. So if you have any questions or queries, let us know below in comments. We will be replying for that. Next, there is a job openings for Chaitanya Bharati Institute of Technology located in Hyderabad. They are looking for various positions, teaching and non-teaching positions. They are looking for faculty for all engineering branches on contract basis. So non-teaching positions also they have vacancies. If you see what are the job openings available for teaching and non-teaching in detail, for teaching position they have vacancies for all engineering branches for all subjects, and for non-teaching positions they are looking for CEO, center in charge, young professional, marketing coordinator, makerspace tools coordinator, training and placement officer, administrative coordinator, accounts officer, senior accountant, junior accountant, purchase officer, senior purchase assistant, junior purchase assistant, stenographer, personal secretary, software or web developer, network engineer, hardware engineer, system administrator, programmers, competitive coding trainers like C, Java, Python, trainers for verbal, quantitative and reasoning, electronics and telecommunication operators, desktop publishers, electrical maintenance engineer having 11 kV supervisor certification and wireman permit holders for operation and maintenance of the HV electrical installation, safety officer, electrical maintenance department, electrical technicians with ITS certification, student counselor and receptionist. For all these positions, 28 vacancies available for non-teaching positions, and for teaching positions there are vacancies for all engineering branches. For more information, you can browse official website address given here, that is www.cbit.ac.in. Fill-in applications should reach the principal CBIT on or before May 8, 2021. If you have any questions or queries, you can contact on the given phone numbers, that is 04024193276 or 04024193280, and there is a mobile number as well, that is 8466997201. If you have any questions or queries, let us know below in comments. I will be replying for that. Next, there is a job openings for Acharya Injiranga Agricultural University located at Guntur. There is a direct recruitment for the faculty positions for agriculture and agriculture engineering and technology. There is a 4 vacancies available for agricultural engineering and technology. For professor positions, they have 4 vacancies. For associate professor for agriculture, they have 16 vacancies, and for agriculture engineering and technology, they have 15 vacancies. And assistant professor positions, if you see, for agriculture 84 plus 4, and for agricultural engineering and technology they have 10 plus 1 vacancies. So there is a 4 and 1 given separately, that is backlog vacancies. So these are all the normal vacancies. These 2 or 4 and 1 represents the backlog vacancies. And for community science department, home science, they have vacancies like 2 professor vacancies and associate professor vacancies 3 available. Assistant professor vacancies 10 vacancies available. The filled-in application along with application fee should reach the university on or before May 23rd by 4 p.m. All other details and application can be downloaded from the university website given here, that is www.angrau.ac.in. If you have any questions or queries, let us know below in comments. I will be replying for that. That's it in this video, guys. I will be coming up with more updated job openings for Hyderabad location as early as possible. If you have any questions or queries, let us know below in comments. I will be replying for that. If you like our video, please like and share with your friends and family members who are in need of job. Thank you so much for watching the video. Let us know if you have any questions below in comments. I will be replying for that. Have a great day.